Hi guys, so my name is Prashant Banerjee and today this video I'm going to show you up the top 5 apps of March 2018. So here's the first app I have is the Firefox Rocket. So this is a new application. This is just and now this is not a new application. It is might not available on Play Store. I'm linking this application through APK Mirror. So here's the application is basically famous. It's basically here for its turbo mode, which is pretty nice. And here in the home screen you're going to find Firefox Rocket, and you can just search wherever you want. And another thing I'm going to share that this app is in beta, so it might be slow. So yes, so here's going to find YouTube, so you can access YouTube or whatever you want. Or if you have access to YouTube, so here's going to find some home button to go home, and here you can quickly search whatever you want, and then you get a lot of options here like download. So show your download history, my shots. So this is the new feature where you can able to take screenshot of the thing you want. So here's by tapping this you can able to click the whole picture. You can able to capture the whole page. So now you can just go to my shots, and now I can able to see the whole page. So it's pretty nice if you like this to do that. Or else pretty nice if your phone doesn't support this. I mean the long screenshots features. So this is pretty nice, and you're going to find there's not a lot of features in the settings menu. You're going to find language, default search, written at Google, Yahoo, DuckDuckGo, and Wikipedia. Clear browsing history, save downloads to SD card, and pretty much everything make default browser turbo mode. So yes, this is a pretty good application worth checking out. So guys, the next app in this list is the Motion Stills. So it is a Google application. It's not a new application, I want to say. It's already for there, but it's new, so like a pretty good looking update. So this brings us to AR mode. We're gonna able to bring some kind of dragons, or it's pretty nice to do something like this. Or you can able to zoom them up or whatever you want, and you can able to add this gingerbread man or this alien if you want to. It's look pretty nice. Yes, it's look pretty nice. And every robot or this guy here, or even a ball. Look, it's pretty sick in my opinion. You can see these look pretty nice. And yes, you still have the fast forward option. You can quickly forward something like this. And time with the motion stills, you already know that. So you can just tap and hold and do whatever you want. And whenever you completely do that, you can just quickly see what's going on here. Like this, it's loading up in my opinion. I think I should probably delete it. So here's this one I'm created, and I can just quickly fast it guy up and just look pretty funny. Or I can just do stabilization on and off, just delete it and just like it. So yes, so now let's quickly move around to the next app. So if you're on Instagram, yes, absolutely you might be on Instagram. So if you're on Instagram, you might see that all of the pictures are on the Instagram are just squared out. So but you sometimes take pictures which is 16:9. So now here's this app is comes into the handy. It's Square Droid. So you can see fit in the Instagram photo, square profile photo, Instagram hashtag, and so you can just fit into the Instagram photo and find the picture you wanted to fit here. So let's do with this picture here. So it is just squared it out. So you can have it see color, blur, gradient, stretch, wherever you want. Or you can rotate it, scale it like this. Like this, you can see. Or I can crop it or just quickly save it. Or I can just change the way, like color, like if you want some colors here, like something like that. Or you want blur here, like this. You can have to change the blur you want. And then you're also going to get gradient, pretty nice. You can change the way stop and bar is going to be look like, and also the stretch, so you can just stretch the picture like this wherever is by default, or you can just do it or save it. So yes, this is pretty nice application. I'm recommending you to check it out. Okay okay so guys, the next app in this list is the New Pipe. So it is an application. This is not available on Play Store. So it's a repository. It's from F-Droid. If you wanted to know what is F-Droid, I'm soon going to make a video on it. Might be make a video on it. So it's basically a pretty good looking application. So this gives you a lot of features, like go to settings. You can change the way video and audio, like default resolution, default pop-up resolution, so high resolution, default video format, wherever you want to do. There's a lot of settings you can have to do it. Or here's another feature that I like you can search somebody. You just needed to log in this guy. So here's Marcus Brownlee, who is my favorite YouTuber. You can actually subscribe this without logging in this. So when you subscribe this, you now able to subscribe. So now I'll show you all your subscribers. So yes, this is pretty nice. And some of the big features that is bring to the table is like when you are in some of the, so here in this, so now you can play the video here. So it will loading. My internet is a bit slow. So after that, it will going to play the song here. And now this thing you can do is that go to options and then go to switch to pop-up, which is okay. So I need to draw. Okay, so now I can just go to switch to pop-up. So it is basically done this pretty good looking pop-up, which in my opinion is pretty nice. It's pretty like it. So if you know that it is a feature of stock Android with the Android 8.1, so if it doesn't have this guy, so it is, can be a pretty, if it doesn't have Android 8.0 Oreo, so it's pretty nice to get this feature. Another feature I like about it, like you can just tap and hold, or you can just EQ on background, where you can start here on background, so you can start the song playing on the background, so which is pretty nice. I like it. So overall, you can also have to theme this application down. You can go to appearance to go to the black, dark, and light theme is the dark theme. Here's the light theme. It's pretty nice. So overall, it's a pretty good application. You can have to see history or content you want to say, like United Kingdom, wherever you want, or age restricted content or whatever. I don't want to do that, but it's pretty nice. It's pretty nice. Overall, I'm absolutely recommend this application, guys. So please go ahead. I'm absolutely going to be linking this application. Okay, so the last and final app, or last but not least, the least app, is the Home Agenda. So this is the application from Francisco Franco, who is one of my favorite developer that is to a lot of apps. So this application is absolutely a paid app. So it's a widget application. So you can see this widget in my home screen. So this application is pretty nice. Here you're going to get, you can have to do whatever you want from it, like can have to change the so fast event, only turn a compact mode, which is something that I like. So they basically make this compactized, or you can see it is without compact mode. So it's pretty nice. So you can see it's pretty look nice. You can also get highlight today's event, or you can change the opacity of this thing, or is a window opacity. So toolbar, you can do whatever with the toolbar if you want. Like title size, you can able to change it. Let's do this. Yes, it look pretty nice. Yes, it look pretty nice. Okay, so there's a lot of things. Let me see which type of calendars you want to select. Holidays in the end. There's a lot of things. So overall, this application is $2.42, and I think it's 150 or 170 rupees if you're in India. It's pretty nice. Just go ahead and check it out. So okay guys, so this is all for March 2018. So stay tuned for more videos. Are coming pretty soon. I'm going to be making a lot of videos because this is absolutely going to be my first video. So well guys, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please go ahead and like this video and absolutely subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, guys.